while we will be having a photography session with the birds in the background. So if you want to have your photos taken with them, you can start queuing right over here. Then do come forward and just start to form one straight line to take your photos with the birds in the background.